Good evening, my dear. Good evening, my dear friends. Today I'm showing you how to do multiple formatting, multiple conditional formatting. Suppose I am having a range of 10 to 30 number of values, so it will come in red, and then 31 to 50 in green, and then 51 to 100 in blue. So let's see how to do it. I've just selected this particular cell, condition program, manage rules, then new rule, formula only cell that contains. I'm placing 10 to 30 values. Format, bold italic, okay, and this one, okay. Then now I clicked on okay, this thing come. Then again, new rule, formula only cell that contains 31 to 50. Format, let's take it green, bold italic, and okay. Again, new rule, formula only cell that contain 51 to 100, and that is ruby blue, and apply and click on ok. Now this thing 10 red or 23 red. Now just 31 green up to 51, so let's take it 51 green. No, it's blue. 51 to have changed the range, so 100 means 99. Okay, so this is all about the multiple conditional formatting. Thank you for being with us. The official website is prccump.org.in. Email at das6@gmail, college 8420879158. Thank you for being with us, and stay there for more.